So there's two sort of next generation BTK inhibitors that are in clinical trials. One is acalabrutinib and one is zanubrutinib. And the putative advantage of both of them is that they are very potent against BTK, but so is ibrutinib. But the putative advantage is that the IC50 for some of the other kinases that ibrutinib inhibits is much higher with these drugs, and it's thought that the inhibition of some of those other kinases are what actually leads to some of the toxicities that we see with ibrutinib, like the platelet dysfunction, like atrial fibrillation. So the idea would be these could be as good, if not better, and potentially have less side effects. In this randomized trial, there's over 300 patients, all with relapsed CLL, and acalabrutinib was given at 100 milligrams BID, and the control arm was either rituximab with idelalisib, the PI3K delta inhibitor, or with bendamustine, the chemotherapeutic agent. And we haven't seen the presentation yet, but we know that the trial met its primary endpoint, which was an improvement in progression-free survival with acalabrutinib, and that was assessed by an independent response committee. And so that's very encouraging and hopefully will lead to the first label for acalabrutinib in CLL. It's previously been approved, but only in relapsed mantle cell lymphoma. So right now it does not have a label in CLL.